ready to unlock the secret weapon for skyrocketing your marketing campaign results. Today, we're diving deep into Constant Contact to show you how to create a high-converting landing page that captures leads and fuels your business growth. And the best part is, it's easier than you think. First, log into your Constant Contact account and navigate to the Marketing tab. You'll find it right here in the main menu. Next, click on Landing Pages. From there, click the Create Landing Page button to start building your masterpiece. Now, you'll be presented with a library of professionally designed templates. Take your time and browse through them to find one that aligns with your campaign goals and your brand aesthetic. There's a template for just about every industry and purpose. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. Click on any text element, like the headline or body text. To edit it directly, tailor the messaging to resonate with your target audience, highlight the benefits of your offer, and use a clear call to action. To capture those valuable leads, add a form to your landing page. You can easily drag and drop form fields like name, email, and phone number directly onto the page. Ensure your landing page is connected to your email list. This way, every lead captured through the form is automatically added to your contact database, making follow-up and nurturing a breeze. Now, let's fine-tune your landing page settings. Customize the URL to make it memorable and relevant. And don't forget to add SEO keywords to boost your search engine visibility. Before you hit publish, preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks perfect on all devices. This is crucial for providing a seamless user experience. Finally, click the Publish button to make your landing page live. Share the link across your social media channels, in your email newsletters, and anywhere else your audience hangs out. And that's it. You've just created a powerful landing page in Constant Contact that will help you generate leads, drive conversions, and achieve your marketing goals. Good luck!